northeast, southwest. Madaspap, you can continue gathering now. There's spread for now. Don't do anything. Okay. Hood up. OC now. You hold. Okay, start going to their backlines. Start brawling their backline. Keep rolling. Roll their backline, boys. Go to their backline, southeast. Yo, Qs and Ws on this bird.
You have clap, okay.
Yeah. Keep rolling. If you need heals, go middle. Can you drop Judy's middle? I'm lagging so bad. Can you drop Judy's? Keep fighting. Keep finishing the healers. Target the healers. Keep finishing the healers. Are we winning? Keep finishing the healers. Yeah. Yo, look at their perma. If you need heals, come to the Judy middle. Yo, look for low targets. Okay, nice. Keep finishing the low targets. Finish yung bird, yung perma. Keep finishing. Nice. Now spread and kill their healer. Focus their healer. If you need heals, go to the Judy. Keep fighting. Madaspap, are you okay? Keep fighting.
I'm here with Madaspap.
Okay. Keep finishing the lower targets. Good job, boys. Good job.
Easy.
Yo. Nice. We're good.
Healers natin, Sanay na sa full bron.
Good. Kung nakita niyo lang POV ko.
Fuck, I died. Ano yun? Ba't bigla naglalag?
What are you doing, Morsha?
Like, long bit ako. Nag-freeze yun.